Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech World, and today we're in an amazing video. So this phone is like the phone which you're going to review today is more about Phantom X. So the phone's full name is Tecno Phantom X, and let's head to that phone.
So release date is August 11, 2021, which is expected date, and the marketing status is coming soon or upcoming. Expected price is rupees 18,999. So advantage or disadvantage of this smartphone, when we go in detail about the smartphone, is that Gorilla Glass Victus version 5 protected front screen the smartphone has, and dual selfie shooters on the front with dual LED flash. A powerful MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, massive 8 GB of RAM, 4700 mAh battery with 33-watt fast charging, 256 GB of internal storage, back Gorilla Glass protection. And our verdict is that with the Tecno Phantom X, you will be able to experience the premium features under 20,000. The device promises a quiet, vibrant visual experience protected by the Corning Glass Gorilla Glass version 5. And besides offering great camera numbers on both the ends, finally a well-organized processor combo takes care of the operational needs. So experience and the ultimate performer in that you get the display and the camera, the configuration and the battery and the storage and connectivity. Let's go one by one. Let's go to the display and the camera.
Yes, guys. So as it was mentioned earlier, we'll go one by one. So as we go for the first point ever, display and camera. So let's head to the display and camera. So when we go for the display and camera, Tecno Phantom X comes with a wide 6.7 inches Super AMOLED display featuring a pixel density of 385 ppi pixels per inch, a refresh rate of 90 Hz, and a screen resolution of a 1018 to 2340 pixels. The smartphone bezel-less front screen flaunts an aspect ratio of 19:5:9, besides getting layered by a Corning Glass V5. Now when we go to the camera, we get to know that there's a 50 megapixel f1 by 1.85 aperture primary camera, a 13 megapixel camera, and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens angle lens on the backside of the device, which is also accompanied by a quad LED flash. On the front side, Tecno has incorporated a dual camera setup comprising a 48 megapixel primary camera and an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, along with a dual LED flash and a 105 field view. 105 degree field view. Now we go to the next and second view point, which is configuration and battery. Let's do that.
Tecno Phantom X packs a MediaTek Helio G95, which I said in the advantage of the smartphone. It has that G95 chipset along with the 8 GB of RAM. The smartphone is equipped with an octa-core processor combining the 2.05 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 and 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55 layout. To look after the graphical requirements, Tecno has placed a Mali G76 MC4 GPU. The device is loaded with a 4700 mAh battery capacity. The Leon type of battery is Leon. The particular is non-removable, besides being compatible with the 33-watt fast or flash charging system. Let's go to the storage and the connectivity.
We go for the third point in this thing, which is for the experience with the ultimate performer. We get to know that the third point is storage and connectivity, which is the last one. Tecno has incorporated a massive 256 GB non-expandable internal storage within. Apart from the Bluetooth V5.0, mobile hotspot, Wi-Fi 802.11b by G by N, and a GPS, it is also compatible with 4G VoLTE networks too.
There is a storage which is 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage. That is the base variant of Tecno Phantom X, and which is expected to be available in Starry Night Blue, Monet Summer color. If you will want more tech videos like this, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, hit the like button, and share with your friends, relatives, family members. That will be great support for us to make more videos like this. And anyways, thank you so much for watching. This is Tech World signing off.